important. Okay, so we're gonna move on now with the interface. So we are going to look at the various parts of the program and what we do with those parts. So first and foremost, we are going to start with this part here. Can you see where my cursor is? Hmm? I see my cursor. Can you see my cursor? Please confirm if you can see my cursor. Mustafa, can you see my cursor? Adam,
Yes, I
how
can see
about
it.
you? Can you see my cursor where it is?
Yes, yes.
Okay,
Around the-
okay, that's fine, that's fine. So this area of the program is called the quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar. Okay, so basically, what a quick access toolbar does is that it gives you a quick access to most commonly used commands. Okay, for example, if you want to quickly save, you have the save button there, or you do something, you want to remove it, you can undo to remove it. For instance, if I just type something here and I want to quickly remove this, I'll just undo and it's all gone. All right, so that area is called the quick access toolbar because it gives you access to quickly perform a particular task that probably, if you want to use the normal procedure, might have taken you some minutes or so, but this area gives you a quick access to that. Okay, and mostly this area here, you will find these three commands there: the save, undo, and redo. By default, you will have these three there in any version you are using, whether it's 2010, 13, 16, or 19. These are the three um, things that you would always find there: save, undo, and redo. But you can also add more if you wish to. So to do that, um next to it, besides it, after the redo, you will see a drop down arrow there. So if you even point at it, it shows you what: customize quick access toolbar. So with this now, you can add more commands as you wish. So if you click here now, you see, so you have new, you can add it there. Okay, and then you can also add this. So you see, the more you click on those, they are obviously added here, so you can keep increasing the list as much as you want. Okay, but let it be like things that you do most frequently. So if you don't use a particular command most frequently, it wouldn't make sense to add it here. Okay, so for me, I'm always good with these three. So if you want to remove something, like you added this, you want to remove it, just come back here to the same place. Now you click here and untick, it is what? Removed. So also, in 365, you can see something else is added: autosave. Okay, that is this other icon here. So we will also talk about this later. All right, hopefully today. Okay, inshallah, we talk about this. Okay, so but this area of the program is known as the quick access toolbar. So let's try to understand that quick access toolbar. Okay, so next to the quick access toolbar, then you have the title bar. So in some other versions of the program like 2016, 2013, or even 2010, this section usually you would have it somewhere in the middle here, where for me I have what, search. So you can see I told you the program, so as they are going, they keep on adding new things, okay, but the concept is still the same. Okay, so this area here is called the title bar. So this title bar shows the name of the document that you're currently working on. So usually with Microsoft Word, if you open a new document, it will be given the default name document 1. Okay, and then dash Word. That means you are using the program called Word. Okay, you're currently on a Word document. That's what this word here means. And then this one is your file name. So if later I save this file with a different name, you see that it changes to that name. Okay, so let me open one file and you see. Okay, so you see for this one I've already saved it, so it bears the name now what, MS Word interface, and it shows me that it is what, saved. Now it's not even showing the program name, okay, but instead it shows me where it is saved. But on your own version you would see the program name there, okay, dash Word. All right, okay, so that is it. So that area is called the title bar. Is here located at the top. It displays the document name, and okay, it includes that. Then next, now we have the ribbon. Okay, so when we talk of the ribbon, this is the ribbon. Let me go to the blank document. Okay, you see this one now, from this home here all the way down here, all this up to this point. You can even see the line there. You see this rectangle, okay, all the way down here. So it's called the ribbon, and all this is part of it: home, insert, draw, and others. This one is a different one. We will talk about it also. Okay, so but from home here all the way down is all known as the ribbon, ribbon. Okay, and on the ribbon we have what we call ribbon tabs. These ones are the tabs: home, insert, draw, design, layout, references, mailings, review, view. Okay, those are what we call the tabs. Okay, so usually these are the main tabs that you would have on your ribbon. All right, but you can see for me I have additional tabs like Zotero. Okay, now this Zotero is a program that you can use for referencing. Okay, for those of us that are IOU students will know what I'm talking about. Okay, so use, but because it is a program that is compatible with Microsoft Word, usually when you install it on your computer, the Word program automatically creates a ribbon tab for it. Okay, I don't do this, the program automatically did this because it realized that it can work with this application. So to make life easier for you, it decides to add it here for you. So we have help, so this is available in 365. Okay, and you have Adobe Acrobat. Okay, this is a PDF extension. So also when I install the Acrobat, the PDF program, Word decided to add it here so that